At AW Lake, we're all about making flow measurement easy. And one of the ways we did that was by coming out with the Edge Flow Sensor. This versatile sensor can be paired with any of our gear or turbine flow meters. And it's simple to set up by using our mobile app or computer toolkit. So I'm going to show you how to get started today with the Bluetooth app. Once the app is downloaded, we're going to open it up and connect to the device. For first-time users, it may ask for your location, and please select Allow. Once on the main page, you're going to tap to connect the orange button at the bottom of the screen. Once the device appears, you're going to tap on it to connect. The device name is going to be the same as the serial number on the top of the box. The main screen will show you the flow rate and your outputs along with the totals. To set up the sensor, you're going to tap on the 3 menu button line at the top of the screen. The most important things we're going to have to input is found on the System Settings menu. Those two items are the K factor and the max flow rate output. The K factor is the meter factor for the specific meter that you're pairing the Edge sensor with. So once we enter in the K factor, we select Done and hit Set to save our selection. Next is the max flow rate in gallons per minute or whatever units you're going to be using. This is going to set your 20 milliamp output or your 10 volt output. So for this example, I'm going to use 10 gallons. And again, press Set to store the data. There are lots of other flow units you can select, from milliliters to ounces to barrels. Another useful feature that a lot of people may utilize is in the Output Settings menu. In this menu, you're able to force one of the analog outputs or both. So for example, if I wanted to set my milliamp output to 16 milliamps, I could do this so that I can test the signal going back to my controller. And if we go back to the main screen, you can see that the current output is now at 16 milliamps. So once we put in the meter factor and put in the max scaling factor, we're ready to read flow and start our application. So as you can see, when I spin the gear, we're reading flow on the app in real time. Next, I'm going to show you how to do these setup steps using the computer toolkit. To hook up the device to the computer, you simply plug in a USB-C cable to the USB-C connector found inside the sensor. This cable also powers the device for programming. Now we're going to download and open up the computer toolkit from AW Lake's website. The computer toolkit can be found on AW Lake's website under Downloads and Software. Once downloaded, open up the application and you should see a window that looks like this. You can select the COM port the sensor's on with the drop-down and click Auto Detect Device. This will bring up the viewing and programming window. Just like the app, you're going to want to put in your meter K factor and put the max flow rate for your analog output. Once you do these two things, you're ready to start flowing and reading from your controller. You can also see the real-time flow rate here, change the units, and also force the analog outputs. So as you can see, it's very simple, just like the Bluetooth app. As always, if you need our help, you can give us a call or visit our website at awlake.com.